Assalamualaikum students, good morning. Welcome back with Miss Fatimah. Today, we will learn the vocabularies about farm animals. Farm animals are animals that are raised and kept for agricultural purposes. They are raised on farm for their meat, dairy products, or to help out the farmers. Now, let's see a few examples.
Who am I? I am sheep. I am sheep. Who am I? I am horse. I am horse. Who am I? I am cow. I am cow. Who am I? I am rooster. I am rooster. Now, who am I? I am hen. I am hen. Who am I? I am goat. I am goat. Who am I? I am donkey. I am donkey. And who am I? I am goose. I am goose. Who am I? I am duck. I am duck. And who am I? I am rabbit. I am rabbit.
Now, did you know all the animals? Do you know any others? Tell us more. Okay students, that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.